refrigerant recovery on a 2000 Kia Senato, small front end accident. Replaced the condenser. As you can see, the front end was pushed in. This actually has a curvature, a bow to it. Now you don't get mistaken. There are some vehicles that actually have a curved condenser that looks bent from the factory. But this one was actually pushed in, and you could see where some of the tubes are bent and distorted. And you can see right close, the fins are actually crushed in from this little bracket where it contacted just under the refrigerant tube. So this will be getting replaced. As you can see, I'm recovered the refrigerant. I'm not in the inches of mercury. I actually recovered all the way down to the 800 micron level of refrigerant recovery. Even back in 2012 on the Kias, they were already starting to bring in the internal heat exchanger tubes where you have the liquid refrigerant running into the suction line, and you see there's only one line going over there, and then the liquid comes back out. So even on a real cheap model like this, they were already starting to experiment with using internal heat exchangers for increasing efficiency. They knew the YF refrigerant was coming. They needed to increase gas mileage and get more efficient and use smaller charges for the EPA. So all this has to do with getting better gas mileage, getting lower refrigerant quantities in their car, so all the manufacturers can also push off the YF changeover date by using higher efficiency condensers, higher efficiency evaporators, and increasing the efficiency by using the internal heat exchangers. Always like to see when they put the expansion valves right there, but not when there's a exhaust manifold like 10 inches away radiating heat on that. Not the best scenario, but that's all they have. That's it for now. Just NAVAC recovery unit and the field piece 480V, and catch you guys on the next one. See ya.